Good morning students. Today we will study class 6 exercise 11a. In our last class we have completed up to question number 6. Now we will discuss question number 7. The question number 7 is given here. Count the number of line segments drawn in each of the following figure and name them. The first one figure it is given to you. This is your figure. It is A, B, C and in the mid that is D. You have to mark the line segment here. Mark the line segment. First one, answer number 1 is your first line from AB. After that second AB, then your BC, AB, BC and AC. After that AD, after that BD, after that DC. Okay, these all are, there are 6 line segment. You can see AB, BC, sorry, AC, after that AD, BD, DC. Okay, these are our line segment with these are our line segment with end point A and B, with ends point A and B. In second, with end point B and C, with end point A and C, with end point A and D. After that with end point B and D. After that with end point D and C. Okay, this is your answer of question number 7 part first. Now we will discuss part second. The part second is, this is your figure, enclosed figure has been given to you. This A, B, C, D, after that O. Okay, what you have to do, same you have to do, you have to mark the line. In this question, see, question number 7 part second we are solving. The points which you are able to see mention here. Number 1 AB, BC, AB, BC, CD, DA. Okay, after that now take here DB, DB, then AC, then DO, DO, after that we have taken AB, BC, CD, DA, then BD, after that after BD, then your AC, then AO, DO, DO, then your line will be OB, 7, 8, ninth is your OB, OC, 10th will be your AO. You have taken sorry, OB, OC, AO, and 11 is your OD. These all are line segment. You can see here AB, BC. Now see, these are this is your end point of line A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A. After that we have taken A B B C C D D A. Then we have taken D B. After that A C. After that D O. Then O B. Then A O. Then O C. These all are line segment with end point. You have to write as I have done in first question with end point A and B. Same you have to write here end point B and C, here end point C and D. In this question end point D and A. In this question end point D and B. In this question A and C. In this question D and O. In this O and B. In this O and C. After that A and O. Then O and D. These all are with end point. ये इनके क्या हैं? End point. Now let's come to question number third. Question number third you have to do yourself. I am explaining you the question number 4. The question number 4 is given in 7th question. Part 4 we will do. We have to mark the lines here, or you can take the homework of question number question number 3rd and 4th. Question number 7, part 3rd and 4th you have to do. Okay. Now let's come to question number 8. Question number 8, consider the line PQ given below and find whether the given statements are true or false. This is your line given. Here it is P, L, M, N and Q. Okay, P and Q line has been given. Now the first statement is M is a point on ray NQ. M क्या है? Point है on ray NQ. Whether the statement is true or false, it is the first statement is false because NQ is here and the point M is given at the mid of this line. अगर यहाँ पे M इस जगह पे होता तो statement true होता. After that the second statement is L is a point on ray MP. M and P. L is given here. Okay, so the second statement is your true. The second statement is a true. Now the third is ray MQ is a different from ray NQ. Ray M and Q. M and Q is different from the ray NQ. It is true or false? Ray, it is also true. The third statement is also true because ray MQ extended endlessly from M to Q and ray NQ is extended endlessly from N to Q. अगर हम बात करें M और Q की, तो this also ray start from M and end with Q. Okay, endlessly. Then we will talk about NQ. This also start from N and end with Q with endlessly. Here it is no end. Now the fourth question is L, M, N are point on a line segment LN. L, M and N are the point on a line segment LN. Yes, it is also true. These all are point which is given out to you on line segment. The fourth question, ray LP is different from ray LQ. Yes, it is also different. Fourth one is also true. Now what you have to do? You have to do question number 9 and 10. Question number 9 is also true false and 10 is also true false. Question number 9 and question number 10 is your homework you have to do. Okay, we will discuss the next chapter in our next class. Your chapter has been completed. Thank you and have a nice day.